Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found your way to our little corner of the internet. Today, I've got something special to share with all of you affiliate marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to simplify their workflow and boost their affiliate income. Now, if you're like me, you probably spend hours trying to come up with new content ideas, writing and rewriting, and hoping that your content actually gets noticed by the right people. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all that hard work and create high-quality SEO-optimized content in just a few minutes? Well, that's where Affiliate Content Pilot comes in, a game-changing Chrome extension that promises to take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level. I've been testing this tool out, and trust me, it's something that could save you a lot of time while also driving more traffic and increasing affiliate commissions. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive in and explore what makes this tool so incredible. Affiliate Content Pilot is an AI-powered extension that allows you to generate up to 10 unique, SEO-friendly articles from any YouTube video or sales page URL. Yes, you heard that right, 10 articles, all ready to be published on various platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, or even your own WordPress site. The best part? It's super simple to use. You don't need to be a tech expert or a seasoned copywriter to get started. Once you install the Chrome extension, you just need to paste a YouTube video or a sales page URL into the tool, and with one click, it starts working its magic. It generates well-structured articles that hit different buyer angles, like comparisons, problem-solution pieces, FAQ content, and even before and after stories. These articles are not just random text, they're specifically designed to attract the kind of audience who's actively searching for the products or services you're promoting. It's like having your own AI content team working round the clock for you. Another huge benefit of Affiliate Content Pilot is its SEO optimization. If you've been struggling to get your content to rank on search engines, this is a tool you need to try. Each article is created with SEO best practices in mind, meaning it's not just great content, it's content that's designed to rank. And because the tool is built to generate different types of content with relevant keywords, you can easily dominate various content platforms with high-ranking articles that drive traffic right to your affiliate links. But it doesn't stop there. You can even integrate Affiliate Content Pilot with your WordPress site. So instead of manually uploading and formatting each article, the tool allows you to auto-publish your content directly to your site with just a click of a button. Imagine how much time that saves you, whether you're posting directly to your blog or sharing across Web 2.0 sites or social media platforms. Affiliate Content Pilot ensures your content is up and running without the hassle. What I love about this tool is how much customization it offers. Sure, it generates articles for you, but you can still personalize them to fit your brand voice. The AI comes up with detailed outlines, article titles, pros and cons lists, and even persuasive copy, allowing you to fine-tune the content and make it your own. There are built-in prompts and proven copywriting techniques that help you create content that not only informs but converts. Whether you're running a high-ticket affiliate campaign or just starting out in the world of affiliate marketing, Affiliate Content Pilot is a serious time saver. I mean, how often do we sit there, staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out what to write next? With this tool, you won't have to waste time brainstorming new ideas or struggling with writer's block. It turns those existing resources, like YouTube videos or product pages, into fully optimized articles in a matter of minutes. And don't worry if you're not familiar with how to optimize for SEO, this tool takes care of all of that for you. The content is automatically interlinked, structured properly, and ready to attract search engine traffic. Whether you're focusing on creating blog posts, Reddit threads, LinkedIn articles, or even Medium posts, Affiliate Content Pilot ensures your content gets the visibility it deserves. Let's not forget about the price. For all this power, the tool is priced at just $17, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose. For less than the cost of a decent dinner, you can have a full content creation system that works for you every day. Plus, there are no extra fees or API keys required. Just install the extension and start creating content. I really think this tool has the potential to change the way you approach content creation. If you're tired of feeling like you're stuck in a content creation loop, Affiliate Content Pilot is here to help. It streamlines the process and gets your content in front of the right people faster than ever before. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this tool is going to save you time and energy while giving you the opportunity to scale your affiliate business without the usual stress. So, if you want to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, check out Affiliate Content Pilot. I'll leave a link in the description for you to grab it and start creating content effortlessly. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.